Guys, welcome to our sixth video. Today, I'm going to be eating pancakes. And at the end of the video, if you like it, make sure to subscribe. And if not, leave a like. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to eat the pancakes. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is how much I ate. I'm still eating it. They're the best pancakes I ever had. Yum. Okay guys, so I finished all of these pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you liked it, make sure to subscribe. And if not, leave a like. And we'll see you next time. See ya!